how to prepare a PPK post-processed kinematic payload for your drone. Here's what you'll need and how to assemble it. We need to have the following items. PPK antenna captures GPS correction data for precise positioning. Lens that records the exact geolocation and time for each image. Buckle for fastening connections to prevent loosening during flight. SD cards records high precision GPS data for post processing. Attach the PPK antenna to the designated port on the PPK module. This ensures your drone receives accurate GPS correction signals during flight. Mount the lens 25 mm to the underside of the PPK payload. Align it properly to avoid imbalance. Insert the camera SD card and GPS SD card into their respective slots. Confirm both cards are fully inserted to prevent data loss mid-flight. Buckle the PPK payload onto the drone. Plug the PPK power port into the respective slot and check the positive and negative connections carefully. Turn on the drone and connect the PPK payload. Once connected, it should display the satellite count, fixed status, and recording status as shown in the status. Thanks for watching.